guys, it's Sam back with another video. So for today's unboxing, it's the Shyla and Dose of Colors. This was a impulsive buy, let me tell you. I saw the colors online, figured why not, I'm gonna buy it. So it is pink, pink all around. So let's see. Oh, so it says, hope you enjoy with love, Shyla. I think that's pretty cute. She wrote in a little personal message there. Okay, so here's a card. Isn't she pretty? I think she's stunning. So it says Dose of Colors, limited edition Shyla lip set includes 1 Stay Glossy lip gloss, 1 lip liner, and 1 velvet mousse lipstick. So there's 3 items in this box right here. See, you also get stickers. That's cute. It says Soul Happy, that's her daughter's name. Shyla, love Dose of Colors. And there she is. That's cute. Okay. So this is how the lip set looks. So you have Shyla going down. It's very smooth. I like the color actually. It's like a nice blush of pink. If you can see that. So when you open it, here are the 3 items. So you have the gloss, the liner, and the mousse velvet. Okay. I honestly think this color will look nice on everyone. It's not too dark, it's not too pink. It's a little bit in between. If I can open this. Why do they make packaging so difficult? Either that or I'm just stupid. Okay, anyways. This is the lip liner. It's pink. Can you see that? It's like a mauvey brown shade. So I'm actually gonna try this on. I'm heading out, so I'm doing this really quickly. Let's see. This isn't my best, but this is better than nothing. Can you see that? Once again, I'm recording this off my phone, so don't come at me. Okay. It's very smooth. It's very creamy. That I like. So we're gonna go with the velvet mousse. It's like this. It's pink. Everything about this is pink. And this is called Shyla. And it is vegan. Awesome. See her name on the lid. It's like a frosted plastic type of feel. It smells like caramel. Okay, this is very, very like very moussey. Has a mousse texture, that's for sure. Okay, let's try this on. I actually thought it was gonna be more mauve, but it's between mauve and a brown. But I can't complain though, it's very, it's pretty. It's very smooth. It's not sticky or anything. It has a nice feel to it. Okay, well, so far I'm liking the lip liner, the mousse. Is it a color that we've seen before? Yes, but it's pretty. So this is the gloss. So that's the gloss right there. You could clearly see the difference here. I feel the gloss is more of a mauve pink, and these are more of like a mauve brown. And hey, and if you like, you could just do the lip liner and put the gloss on top. I feel like that will look nice as well. Okay, so adding the gloss gives you a little bit more of a shine to your lips. Can you see that? This lighting is horrible. I don't know why I like to record like late. Is it necessary to put the gloss on top of the mousse? I don't think so. I feel like if you put the gloss on top, it gives it a different look. So if you just want to use the lip liner and the mousse, or the lip liner and the gloss, or all three. But it is pretty though. I don't think I have this color in my collection actually. Anyways guys, this was a small little video, like I said. A little bit of a rush, but I think it's worth it if you don't have this color in your collection, or if you're new and trying those of colors in general. I feel like this is a win-win. You get a lip liner and 2 lip products. And hey, if you like Shyla and you support her family channel, then for sure you guys would have picked this up. But yeah. Yeah, I love this card. I don't think I'll be throwing this away. No. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna head out. Anyway guys, I'm gonna head out. Thank you for watching this video. I'm still gonna work on the whole editing and all that stuff, but I'll see you on my next video. I may do a candle video, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, take care.